Okay, we'll leave now. Hello everyone, my name is Roman, and you're on my stream, as always. So we just started, so let's wait for people, and we can start. Hello Roman, hello Nightmare, how are you? Okay, well, we just started. I guess we could open one trade and wait for people. So we use the same indicator strategy as in previous stream, to moving averages and fractal. So let's find the situation and start our session. Okay, here we can see pretty interesting upward movement. So let's open one test deal for 2 minutes, as always. We're on Euro, New Zealand dollar, so we'll open buy position here for 2 minutes and wait for people. If you're new here, don't forget to leave a like. If you're on the phone, just double tap on the screen. And also, you can join my Telegram group, where I share more videos and strategies and have trading advice and psychology. All the links is in my profile, in the description of this video, and in the pinned comment in the chat. And as you can see, a correction started here. I have 30 more seconds left and it's very close. And as you can see, we didn't close this this one, unfortunately. But you do not worry, because we just test this new strategy, and it could give our false signals sometimes. Okay, here's pretty interesting situation, as you can see. but it's a bit volatile right now, so let's wait for a new candle. Also, don't be afraid to ask your questions in the chat and I'll try to answer them. Hello, hello, Mr. Profit Trader. Okay, we wait here for a little, so we could open a position here for a buy. That's British pound, US dollar. Let's test this strategy more. So we'll open it for 2 minutes. And while this deal is making, let's search for more stations. How many profits you gained already? The stream just started and we didn't get profit from our first deal, and that's just a second deal. And as you can see, it's weekend and the market a bit volatile right now. I don't think we'll get more. I don't think we get a lot of successful deals. As you can see, it's quite shaky right now. But we closed this one successfully. It was very close. Okay, so let's go to the next situation. Okay, that's good. Nice one, thank you. Okay. Let's check this chart. Okay, it also looks a bit risky, but we're testing this indicator strategy, so let's open my position again on Kenyan shilling, US dollar. So let's open it for 2 minutes. Today we use the same strategy as in previous stream, that uses 2 moving averages and fractal. And the main signal here is the cross of our moving averages. And fractal signal is just to be sure. Are you in a bad mood right now? No, but I'm a bit tired. Because I didn't sleep well today. Okay, I think the price will start a reversal here, so I don't think we're gonna successfully close this position. But we have 40 more seconds left, so let's search for another situation. Oh well, I just went to your last stream and you seem to be in a bad mood. Then too, I get it. Uh-huh. Which apps use for trading, sir? In the majority of time, I use Pocket Option. Okay, let's check our previous. And also sometimes I use TradingView to analyze, and as we can see, we successfully closed previous deal for buy, but it was very risky as in previous deal. So let's search for something more stable. If you're new to my streams, don't forget to leave a like, and if you're on the phone, just double tap on the screen, so it will provide my content to more viewers. And also join my Telegram group where I have more advices and tips for you. All the links is in my profile and in the description. TradingView, this is really cool and workable. Yeah, it's quite nice and have pretty useful design too. Okay, price started reversal. So let's check few more currencies. Okay, as you can see, the situation is a bit unstable here, because on the last 4 candles they have massive shadows underneath them. So it says about the buyers are quite fierce there. Okay, let's observe a little more, and we'll decide to open this position or not. Can you tell which indicator is your favorite? My favorites one is moving averages and parabolic SAR. Okay, as we can see, sellers overwhelmed the buyers, so we could open a position here. That's US dollar, Philippine peso. So we'll open sell position here for 2 minutes. Okay, what are you think about alligator and RSI indicators? These are pretty interesting indicators. I use them not pretty often, but I think moving average is more understandable than alligator. And RSI is pretty useful sometimes. Okay, as we can see, our prices continue to go downwards. We have 40 more seconds on this deal. After we close this one, I'll show you my settings for these indicators. Also, don't be afraid to ask your questions in the chat, and I'll try to answer them. Also, if you're new, don't forget to leave a like, so it will provide nice content to more viewers. And as we can see, we successfully closed this one. So here's my settings for our first moving average. And so here's the second moving average. And here's our fractal settings. Everything like that. Let's go back. Yeah, do you have any trading community? I have a Telegram group that you can join for free. All my links is in the description of this video, in my profile and in the chat. Okay, let's search for our positions. As you can see, there's a lot of movement here. Let's wait for the next candle and decide to enter or not. Okay, 3 more seconds. Okay, not good for us. So let's go to the next one. Not good for us. Now, next. Small value. No. Okay, here looks like a pretty good position. So we'll open position here. It's US dollar, Japanese yen currency. Let's open buy position here. And while we have a deal, don't be afraid to ask any questions in the chat. I was leaving. Can you quickly show the indicator settings again? Yeah, of course. Like, here's our first moving average. And here's the style settings. Here's the second moving average. And here's our fractal settings. Okay, and we'll go back like this. Thank you so much, Roman. You're welcome. Okay, we have 1 more minute here. Okay, and as you can see, sellers overwhelmed the buyers, and the prices started a downtrend again. And we didn't close this one, unfortunately. But we're just testing the strategy. And we'll get more in the future. So let's move to the next positions. Okay, let's start from the start. Let's start from the top. This is a scam, people. It's the same site. What do you mean? We use pocket option as always. Like all my streams was on pocket option. Okay, let's wait here. I have taken his photo and sent it to Interpol. Okay. Send the sites. He's running 1 minute behind. We don't have delay on the stream. are forex markets even open on the weekend? It's not forex markets. That's just from market option. Mhm. 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 Okay, we have found good entry. It's US dollar Mexican peso. So let's open sell position here. And I'll read the chat real quick. I do not understand what you're talking about, Megabyte man. I didn't see a lot of live streams with trading. One minute lagging time. I already said we do not have delay on the stream. Okay, and as we can see, we didn't close this one, unfortunately. So let's search for another position. Okay, it was a strange moment, but let's search for one or two more positions. And while we search, if you're new, don't forget to leave a like to provide this content to more people. Okay. Here's pretty interesting point. It's Swiss franc, Norwegian krone. Let's open sell position here and see how it works. And while we wait for deal close, don't be afraid to ask your questions. Because after a while it gets a bit boring. What platform broker is this? That's Pocket Option. Also, you can join my Telegram group, where I have more videos and strategies. All the links is in my profile. And as you can see, we have 20 more seconds here. And the sellers is dropping the prices. And here's a successful close. Okay, let's check for new positions, and if we didn't find anything interesting, we'll just end this for now. Says hello Ishar Entertainments. Okay, pretty interesting story here. It's Nigerian Naira US dollar. A bit unstable. But I guess we could risk here. And that will be our last deal for today. So let's open sell position here. And now I'm free to read the chat. If you're new here, don't forget to leave a like. And just double tap on the screen. I'm here again. Oh, welcome back, Mr. Profit Trader. We have our last deal for today's stream. We open at a sell position on a very interesting point. And as we can see, the price moves a little slow. But as we can see, we successfully close this one. When you will be online again? I don't know, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. But you can join my Telegram. I will post an announcement here for my next stream. So that was a pretty good session. We had a few trades. Had pretty interesting session. We tested this indicator strategy, but I'll guess we'll change our strategy for the next stream for it to be more interesting. So nice strategy, Roman. Thank you, Nightmare. So I guess that's it for today's stream. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see each other next streams, or maybe in videos, I don't know. So goodbye everyone. Okay, bye bye Roman, thank you. Yeah, you're always welcome. Okay, goodbye.